This is my now totaled Interlagos Blue 6-speed manual E92 M3, and it was my dream car. But after 2 years of ownership, that dream has now come to an end. And for you to really get a grasp of the situation, I need to show you how we got here. And we're actually gonna be finally buying a brand new car, the E92 M3.
3 cars all skidding in a circle.
For today's video, we are at Lanier Raceplex. For today's video, we are going to be getting our E92 M3 ready for the track. These wheels definitely transformed the look of this car. For today's video, guys, we are at Atlanta Motorsport Park. For today's video, we're installing carbon fiber side skirts. These side skirts definitely transform the look of this car. Here are my brand new E92 M3 Bay Optic headlights and holes. I can simply make it a cool rainbow effect. For today's video, guys, we are adding Apple CarPlay to our M3. We're all the way down here in Orlando for Beamer Invasion. Build quality is amazing. Now, I'm really happy that everybody made it out of this accident alive. But I know the one thing you guys are thinking is, how did this even happen? Somebody pulled out in front of me through an intersection. I did have the green light, and the police did deem the other driver at fault, and his insurance also agreed. Now, they were gonna only give me $14,000 for this car. This car does have 110,000 miles, but through some negotiations, I pretty much almost doubled that amount. But here we are. It's just something about seeing your car on a forklift completely destroyed my dream car. But let's go ahead and look at the damage. As you can see, guys, it looks pretty bad. I don't think the engine made it. Never seen a M3 plenum inside. There you go. Intake destroyed. Yep, everything on this car pretty much destroyed. Luckily, they put this interior made it pretty fine. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick little look on what the car looked like. This is carbon fiber. I thought that was very interesting. I think the crash bar is like carbon fiber infused plastic. I don't think it's fully carbon fiber. Yeah. Surprisingly, the back half is perfectly fine. You almost can't even tell it's crashed. Those beautiful. I'm gonna miss this car. I really am. There's no replacement for an E92 M3, but yeah, this thing is definitely done. Now you might be wondering, what do I have planned next? I was thinking about getting an F80. I was thinking about an M6. Those are really cheap. I was even thinking about getting a M5 with the S85. Test drove one of those, 335i's. But if you want to see what I have next, stay tuned for the next video.